Dear students, this is my second video for activity based costing. In this video, I can explain how to solve 14 marks problems in activity based costing. I can discuss two problems in this video. First one, the budgeted overheads and cost driver volumes of ABC Limited are as follows. Here the column headings are activities, budgeted overheads, cost drivers and cost pools. The activities are material purchased, machine setup, maintenance, quality control, machinery. Next paragraph. The company produced a batch of 2500 units. Its material cost rupees 1,10,000 and labor cost rupees 1,90,000. The usage of activities of this batch are as follows. For producing 2500 units, what are the activities involved and how much? Material orders 21, setting up of machines 19, maintenance hours 510, number of inspections 26, machine hours 1300. Calculate. Point number 1, cost driver rate. Point number 2, cost of the batch and cost per unit using ABC method. Next solution, step 1. First calculation of cost driver rate. Here cost driver rate is equal to total cost of an activity divided by cost drivers. First one, cost of material purchased per order is equal to 4,05,000 divided by 900 orders, then 450 per order. Cost per setup of machine 3,59,100 divided by 450, that equals 798 per setup. Cost of maintenance per hour 2,40,000 divided by 3,000 hours, then 80 per hour. Cost of quality control per inspection equals 1,40,000 divided by 700, 200 per inspection. Then machine hour rate is equal to 4,80,000 divided by 24,000 hours, then 20 per hour. In the step number 2, we calculate cost of the batch and cost per unit under activity based costing method. Here the columns are particulars, total cost, cost per unit, units produced is 2500. Then as per the cost sheet format, we can write first direct material 1,10,000 divided by 2500, then we get 44 per unit. Direct labor 1,90,000, total cost divided by 2500, then we get 76 per unit. Direct expenses nil. Then total equals to prime cost, that is 3,120 per unit. Then add overheads. This overheads based on the activities required to produce this batch is first activity material purchased 450 cost driver rate into 21 orders is required, that equals 9,450, 3.78. Setting up of machines 798 into 19, 15,162, 6.06. Maintenance 80 into 510, 40,800, 16.32. Quality control 200 into 26, 5,200, 2.08. Machineries 20 into 1,300, 26,000, 10.4. Then total cost and cost per unit of the batch. Total cost 3,96,612, 158.64. Next problem 2. The following data relating to X Limited for their 2010. The budgeted overheads and cost drivers of the year is given below. The column headings, activities involved, total cost, cost drivers, budgeted volumes are cost pools. Activities are material procurement, material handling, setting up, maintenance, quality control, machinery. Even in the problem, the company produced a batch of 2600 units. For producing 2600 units, its material cost rupees 1,30,000 and labor cost rupees 2,45,000. The usage activities of the set batch are as follows: material orders 26, material movements 18, maintenance hours 690, inspections 28, setup 25, machine hours 1800. Calculate cost driver rate and the total cost and cost per unit of the batch using ABC method. In this case also, step number 1, calculation of cost driver rate. With that, cost driver rate is equal to total cost of an activity divided by cost drivers. First one, cost of material purchased per order 5,80,000 divided by 1,100 on orders 527.82 per order. Cost of material handling per order is equal to 2,50,000 divided by 680, 367.64 per moment. Cost of setting up of machines 4,15,000 divided by 520, that equals 798.07 per setup. Cost of maintenance per hour 9,70,000 divided by 8,400 equals 115.47 per hour. Cost of quality control per inspection 1,76,000 divided by 900, then 195.55 per inspection. Machine hour rate to 7,20,000 divided by 24,000 hours, that equals 30 per hour. The step 2, calculation of cost of the batch and cost per unit under ABC method. Column headings are particulars, total cost, cost per unit. In this case, the batch requires 2,600 units. First one, direct materials 1,30,000 divided by 2,600, then 50 per unit. Direct labor 2,45,000 per unit to 94.23. Direct expenses nil. Then prime cost 3,75,000, 144.23 per unit. Add overheads. Each activity we can write one by one. Material purchased 527.27 into 26 orders required to produce 2,600 units. Then amount is 13,709 per unit to 5.27. Material handling 367.64 into 18 movements 6,617 divided by 2,600, 2.54. Setting up 798.07 into 25, 19,952. Then per unit to 7.67. Maintenance 115.47 into 690, 79,674, 30.64. Quality control 195.55 into 28, 5,475, 2.10. Machinery 30 into 1,800 hours, 54,000, 20.76. Total cost per unit 5,54,427, 213.27 per unit.